don't get in every day. 1971 Pontiac T37 two-door coupe, or post as they're known, due to that pillar between the front window and the rear window. 350 powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Let's go ahead and check out the front chrome on this. Headlight surrounds, grille. This particular car, 61 paint code, which is going to be sandalwood paint, and also sandalwood vinyl interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, check out the underside, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Vehicle has had a repaint, believed to be original miles. Shows about 82,000 on it. Take a look up and down the passenger side. As you can see, riding on the weld polished aluminum wheels. Car started its life in Indiana. Comes with the original owner's manual. Be able to see that in the still pictures. Of course, in 71, you're going to have your shoulder belt harness as well as your lap belt, so get a few seat belts in there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome bumper in the rear. Check this out. Remember this back in the day. Of course, that's where your jack went into if you needed to jack up the car and change a flat tire on. One on the passenger side over there also. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. FYI, previous owner and the text confirmed radio is in op in it. I have had the wipers working, blower fan working. We're going to check out the interior here just shortly. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay also. Alright, door panel. Nice shape. Take a look in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the bottom of the doors. Those look good. Appears to be the original vinyl. And the reason I say that is it does have a little wear to it with some of the stitching, which is missing, but really not a ton of wear. A little bit of a kind of a rip in the stitching there. Kind of would coincide with that 80-some thousand mile mark. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Check them out. Headliner, good shape. There is a original steering wheel that is in the trunk also that you'll be able to see in the still pictures. Let's fire this one up. As you can see, fuel gauge up over here in the left. And of course, no gauges. You'd have the temp, generator and oil light. I'm not going to mention what they called those lights back in the day, of course. There it is. Basically your defrost or de-ice and heat. Blower fan. Original radio, Delco radio, but again, it's not hooked up or working. One of the two. Little spot where the dash is cracked over here on the left side. Other than that, pretty original looking interior. Besides that, the steering wheel. It does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. Get a little rumble out of that 350. Good sounding car. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the engine bay. Again, 350, paired up with automatic transmission, power steering. Nice, tidy. One of those cars, take your roll-ins, local cruise-ins, take it out on a Saturday, Sunday, have a little fun, just drive it. And you know what? You won't see a lot of other ones out and about. 1971 Pontiac T37 two-door post or two-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.